We are trying to turn this into this. All you need are Aputure MC, Amaron T2C or simply Amaron Tube and a Sidus app on your phone. Both lights are full RGB and you can control nearly everything about them using your phone. This is Aputure MC, a compact but super bright light. And the best part? Put the included diffuser on a light and put the light inside the fridge. Use gaff tape to turn off the fridge light. For ambient light, we use Amaron Tube. Anywhere you need a compact and lightweight soft light, Amaron Tube will deliver. We are pretty much done, but remember I said these lights are full RGB? That basically means you can recreate any color you want. I recommend aim for two opposite colors, or as it's called, complementary colors. PROCAM is one-stop shop for all your audio and visual needs, including, you guessed it, next time an idea pops into your head, we at PROCAM can help you turn that idea into reality.